Hello guys, this is my new Facebook page. Today I am trying to show you about the Yiwu Market. Yiwu is the beautiful city lies in Zhejiang province in China. The city Yiwu that means the city of trade. Yiwu is famous in China as a commodity center. Here is a big wholesale market in Yiwu, which we call Yiwu Futian Market, also known as Yiwu International Trade City, or Yiwu Trade Center, or Yiwu Mall, is a hub for small commodities globally. This is the third floor of the International Trade Center, where we can see many wholesale shop of the electronics and house appliances. You can buy many electrical and household items here in a wholesale price. In this market here also have so many other products, which I will show you on next video. Please stay tuned with us. Please keep share. Follow my Facebook page.
Routine of China. We make your way easier.